X is for X-ray fish with Hopi. Welcome back, explorers! After her wonderful W journey, Hopi is ready for a mystery. Today, the letter X is hiding everywhere. Meet Xander, the X-ray fish. Xander is very special because you can see right through him. He is shimmering, clear, and ready to lead Hopi on an extraordinary new adventure under the sea. X is for xylophone. Hopi finds a bright, rainbow-colored xylophone sitting on a coral reef. It has shiny metal bars that glow in the sunlight. Hopi picks up to round mallets. She wants to make some music with a ding and a dong. She starts to play a happy tune that echoes through the bubbly water. Xander loves the music. He uses his nose to tap the smallest bar on the xylophone. Tink! The sound is high and sweet. Xander twists and turns, dancing to the rhythm Hopi creates. The bubbles around them seem to bounce to the beat of their catchy undersea song. X is for X-ray. Hopi finds a large, glowing screen tucked behind a treasure chest. On the screen is a picture of Xander's friend's hand. It's an X-ray showing the sturdy bones inside. Wow! Hopi exclaims, "It looks like a secret map of the body." She holds her own hand up to the glow to see the light shine through. X marks the spot. Hopi pulls a crinkly, old map from her yellow wagon. Right in the middle is a big, red X. Xander, look! There is a surprise waiting for us. Hopi points to the map, and Xander wiggles his see-through tail with excitement. They follow the sandy path toward the big red letter. X is for Xenops. As they reach the shore, they meet a tiny, feathered friend named Xanthi. Xanthi is a Xenops bird with a beak that turns slightly upward. She has beautiful orange and brown feathers. Xanthi chirps a greeting and hops onto Hopi's shoulder, ready to help find the secret X treasure. X is for Xylocarp. Xanthi points her beak toward a strange, woody fruit on the ground. It is a xylocarp, which means it has a very hard shell, just like a coconut. Hopi tries to roll it, but it is heavy and round. It makes a thump, thump, thump sound on the hard-packed sand. Xander and Xanthi work together. Xander splashes water onto the xylocarp to make it slippery, and Xanthi pushes from the top with her tiny feet. With one big shove, the fruit rolls over, revealing a hidden compartment underneath. They are a great team, even though one lives in the water and one lives in the air. The treasure is an X box. Inside the hidden spot, Hopi finds a beautiful box shaped like the letter X when she opens it. It's full of extra special treats shiny silver star stickers. Hopi puts one on her shirt and gives one to each of her new friends. X is the most exciting letter yet. She cheers. X is for X-ray stars. The sun goes down, and the stars come out. They look like tiny X's twinkling in the dark velvet sky. Hopi is back in her cozy bed, dreaming of see-through fish and rainbow music. "Good night, Xander." "Good night, Xanthi," she whispers. X marks the spot for a perfect night's sleep. X is for X-ray fish with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and friends.